Well, it's been fun. Bye, table nailed to the ground. This was an interesting place, was it not?
It's iconic for
All of its charms, that's right. We're going right across the street for breakfast at Goodie's.
65. Try to hit that. 34.
Finished up with breakfast and I've got a big surprise. We're gonna take some time off trail. I think we need a vacation. Some of my family friends rent a cabin every year on the Frio River in God's country in Texas. And since I don't have a job and I don't have to ask off work, now is the perfect time. So we're gonna fly down to Texas, spend 5 days floating the river, and then we'll come back and get back on trail. Bonus, I'm adding an extra day at home before going to the airport. Really looking forward to this time off and looking forward to spending some time in Texas. Statue of Liberty on the Susquehanna River. Correct. It's certainly weird to be driving a car again. Oh, the gate's open. Shop, you can't come out here. Yeah. Look at it. It's Mommy! Look, Mommy's here! Oh! Hello, little baby! Hello, little baby! Oh, you missed your mommy! You missed your mommy! I know. Oh, I know. We're at Cheesecake Factory, and we'd like to welcome Christine!
Hi! Hi, everybody.
We got some cheesecake. Think you're gonna eat all that?
No, definitely not.
See you in a couple days, Shasta. We're back at the airport, heading to Texas this time. Oh. Very Las Vegas here. Officially in Texas, and we passed a Sonic, so haven't been here in years.
Thank you for choosing Sonic Driving. How may I help you today?
Hi, can I have 2 small lime slushes, please? I'm gonna have to be careful not to get brain freeze. First things first, we're gonna have some dinner at Neal's. Here's one of the water crossings where you can get out of the river, catch your ride back to where you started. Good morning. Got a good old Texas sunrise here. I don't know if I explained this place very well, or at all. Welcome to Texas Hill Country. We are in the Fancy Pants neighborhood here, and we are going to go float the Frio River. And the Frio River is a very historic place, very historic river. It's where generations of families come to vacation every year. And some people float the river on tubes, some kayaks, some do it quietly, some have, water and a cooler full of beer floating with them. But it's always a good time, and I think we're supposed to have some good weather this afternoon. So welcome to God's country. Let's go float that river. You'll get to see what it's like. No, you're supposed to let go of this ring. It's not, it says. It is. Uh-oh.
Listen, there's too many people telling me how to
All right, Amy.
Everybody, let's grade her dive. Day 2 begins. Whee! We've got some rapids coming up. Hard thing is in this kayak I need to steer, so I can't really film while I'm going through rapids. This is going well so far. Oh. Sounds like it didn't end well. Okay, we're going for it. All right, gotta steer now. Bye. That was a doozy. Oh no. Welcome to Neal's. Neal's is a hip and happening hangout spot. A water crossing where you can put in or take out. And they have a lot of cabins. So there's always a lot of people here. Day 2, round 2.
She don't talk about religion. She talks about the stones. All she said.
This time I was not so lucky on that rapid. I munched it. Kayak flipped. Still alive.
Oh.
Here comes Lisa. Oh!
Right in the middle.
This is where we'd find all the glasses.
Go snorkeling, find some glasses. Everyone look down for your treasure.
Well, hello. Do y'all want to come talk and be friends? Come on, look how tiny you are. Here's a big horse. Here's a little horse. Oh. Back at the airport, heading home again.